Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 29th of November 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. From Tesla's new API pricing causing a stir among developers to China's latest electric vehicle innovation, there's plenty to discuss. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has recently unveiled its new API pricing for third-party applications, and it's causing quite a commotion in the developer community. Previously, developers enjoyed unofficial access to Tesla's API, but the new pricing model, which is based on usage metrics, is primarily aimed at fleet management applications. This change has left many developers reeling, as the costs could be astronomical. For instance, the developer behind the Tessie app estimates a staggering $60 million annual cost to maintain his app under this new structure. Similarly, Tyler Corsair, who runs the Teslascope app, noted that the new fees would exceed their monthly revenue by 7.5 times. This has led some developers to seek alternative methods, such as direct vehicle communication, to avoid these hefty fees. Tesla's decision to monetize its API coincides with enhancements to its own fleet management features, suggesting a strategic move to curb third-party competition. This situation echoes past tech industry scenarios, where API pricing changes have led to the downfall of popular third-party apps. The debate now centers on the sustainability of these apps within the Tesla ecosystem and the potential impact on users who depend on them. In other news, the Changan Nevo E07, often referred to as the Chinese Cybertruck, is making waves in the electric vehicle market. This innovative EV blends the characteristics of an SUV and a pickup truck, boasting a design that draws comparisons to the Tesla Cybertruck. Its standout feature is a small 3-foot bed that can transform into a pickup by sliding a glass panel up, providing extra cargo space when the midgate is folded down. This design is particularly appealing in China, where government policies restrict traditional pickup trucks, making the Nevo E07 a versatile option for light-duty activities like camping or moving furniture. Despite its compact size, the Nevo E07 is slightly longer than a Hyundai Santa Cruz but shorter than a Ford Ranger Super Crew, with a payload capacity of 300 kilograms or 661 pounds, making it practical for lifestyle use. However, the interior has faced criticism for its Spartan and predominantly pink design, which some find lacking in visual appeal. The vehicle's styling is considered more attractive than the Cybertruck's angular design, offering a funky and futuristic look without the dystopian vibe. The Nevo E07 could potentially attract US consumers looking for a small electric truck, though import challenges due to tariffs on Chinese EVs remain a hurdle. Overall, the Changan Nevo E07 stands as a testament to China's progress in the EV sector, presenting a viable alternative to the Tesla Cybertruck. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we covered in the episode notes. Join us next time for more updates and insights into the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.